Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to drive on the road from Bath to Golden Grove. Except we'll probably just go to the corner. What's the name of that corner? I don't know. But we're going to go along the road here. It's kind of a rough road, but I don't want you to focus on the bad road, even though we might lose our minds and start talking about it. I want you to focus on the beauty of rural eastern St. Thomas, Jamaica. It's just, well, you'll soon see. All right, away we go. Except we got to go slow because we got holes in the road. Oh, I forgot. We were going to talk about the road. But for right now, I'm just kind of aiming the camera forward and going a little faster. Didn't know for sure where to start this video. It's just kind of like a dash cam at this point. Look at all the bamboo up in there. See all the bamboo? Now, when we came back here earlier, oh, there he is. I see him up there. See the guy? You see the motorcycle there? I bet somebody's up there harvesting bamboo. Yeah. Yeah, somebody harvests bamboo.
We pass it.
Yeah, see the motorcycle people? These bamboo just, growing in the wild. People, in Jamaica, we use that for construction.
These get-ups are so good.
We bought some get-ups in Bath while we were there. And we weren't really going to get any, and some lady gave us each one, and they were so good. Madge said, "Let's buy some." So even though we got a whole heap at home, we bought 2 bunches from the man, and they were a good, reasonable price. And the bunches he gave us were huge. And I hope Madge saved me some by the time we get home. There's some farmland.
Oh, there's
over
a
there.
lot.
Anyway, so here we are just talking and just driving down the road. It's not so bad right here on the road. You can see there's some holes. But anyway, it's just interesting the way that Jamaican people do their construction. You can buy special boards or metal braces and all kinds of something, but nobody around here does that. When they're putting on the concrete decking, which is, their roof, when they're doing concrete, they use the bamboo to hold up the ply, and then they pour the concrete over the ply, and they put a bunch of steel up there too. As you can see all the. I wonder if you can see the farmland with me holding this up. There's one place along here that I want to see on the left, but maybe it's a ways up here, where there was all kinds of bananas and different fruit trees. A person had a regular farm going. I think that was getting closer to the corner. So we'll show the road when I go through the road, because I can't look at the beauty to decide where to aim. Oh, see, somebody's got some banana over there, sweetie.
Because here is the farmland is on that side.
On the other, but there's a ditch there first. So
Yeah.
So they've planted that.
No, it's not in the ditch. The ditch is over more.
You think the ditch is over more?
Yeah, over right.
Okay.
Over behind here.
But they've.
It's the hedge of the ditch.
Right, but what I'm saying is now you can see back over to the left. There's some kind of.
Yes, it was a chocolate. It's chocolate.
That's chocolate.
Yeah, all these are chocolate. Yeah.
Okay, those are chocolate plants.
Yeah. Chocolate. They are bearing chocolate.
So what? The trees or the bushes?
These chocolate.
These right there.
See, I see chocolate on it. But
I see where they are. Yeah. I see them.
There's young chocolate.
I wonder if they'll be able to see it in
there is a lot of chocolate on this one. They are young, because this person grows chocolate.
Oh, so this is a chocolate farm here.
Yes, it's a big farm.
Yeah.
It's here a long
I see.
time.
It goes way back up in there. Way back up in there. Clear to the mountain, basically.
But it seems like they're not taking care of it, because see.
Well, maybe the man died or something.
There was a time.
Maybe the man died or something. Hello. Yeah. But there was a lot of...
See, some little chocolates stayed there and they didn't mature, they dried up. So I don't know what happened. No one taking care of it. You don't.
No,
see it come all along.
Now what do you call this? What do you call these with the great big leaves right there?
These?
Yeah.
I think it's scratch cocoa.
Scotch cocoa.
Scratch.
Okay.
They will scratch
cocoa.
if you wet.
And it's a root.
See, chocolate.
Chocolate. Did you see one?
Yes, they are drying up. See?
They're drying up. And they make chocolate tea?
Yeah, they make chocolate that you eat. That's the chocolate. That's it.
That's the chocolate?
Yeah, that makes chocolate. Yeah.
Okay.
See chocolate in it. It have on some young ones.
Oh, there I see one. Let me see if I can...
If we could get like a ripe one, a full one,
then
you could open it and you could, outside of the chocolate,
well, it
is sweet and you can suck it off. Then they dry the beans and they call it parch when they put it in that hot pot.
Let's see the cattle over there. Big cattle over there in that area, that farming area. This is a very fertile valley here. You know? Very fertile
because
valley.
there's a lot of water, the Plantain Garden River.
Yeah, the Plantain Garden River.
See, a lot of chocolate, but no one taking care of them, so I don't know.
Yeah, that's too bad.
See chocolate all along?
Well, what I may have to do, because I don't know if anybody's actually seeing them on the video.
Look how they're bush up. They're bush.
And if I see one on the video that I can, I'll zoom in on it. But if I can't, I may have to Google a picture of one.
All right, see one
that doesn't have a
if you come down,
copyright.
There is chocolate. I see a chocolate up in this one. It has the shape of the leaves.
It's a big farm.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big farm.
It's still going.
More chocolate.
It's still going. I just saw one on the road and I just drove over.
Chocolate? The chocolate come out here. No one taking care of it. As from I see how it bushy, also the bushes on it.
Well, that's a shame.
See chocolate all along.
Big chocolate farm. Maybe the market dried up. So they just let the farm dry up.
I heard something about this chocolate farm, but I don't remember. See, here's a chocolate tree here, right?
Yeah.
All right, stop here. Let me see this. There is some chocolate on some trees. Oh, see one dried up. See two dried up chocolate. Reverse.
Okay.
Look, see?
Oh, yeah.
They are dried up.
Let me pull forward and then roll down your window. Bring this in here. And then...
And even over there, see a lot of dried up chocolate, so I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I see some big ones over there. Way over there.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of them.
Yeah.
I should be able to zoom in on that shot right there.
Because they're not...
And everybody can see them, but they're just all dried up.
Yeah,
they haven't been cared for.
There is some green ones that just come out, so maybe they're gonna dry it up too. Because they're not being taken care of, you know.
Do they? If you don't pick them, they dry up. Is what happens, or these?
No, but those seems that they are not mature as yet.
They didn't mature, so maybe they weren't getting the proper watering, and they weren't keeping the underbrush trimmed away so they could get enough water.
These could be mature. And then they dried up, they get smaller because they're gonna shrink.
They're gonna shrink. They're gonna shrink.
The water is
see, because there's a couple of them over there.
One right here. All right, let's see.
Here, you want to run the camera?
I was gonna.
Oh, okay.
No, something living to it. There is a rat in it because they love chocolate. There is a rat pushing out the head. I was gonna get that.
Oh, you were gonna get it, but there's a rat in there.
At least a little man.
You know what? Maybe that's what happened.
I'm not going. No.
They got rats took over and they. No. But you know the mongoose eat up the rats, so I don't know what the problem would be.
It's a mouse.
Oh, a mouse.
I was so frightened. I said rat. Rat, that's a big one.
Oh, okay, just a mouse.
So the mouse live in the chocolate, eating out the seeds because it's sweet. Outside of it is sweet. Then the mouse keep pushing out the
He just pushing his little head out. Here, show me how he did it. Show me
You
how
want
he
to
did
come
it.
and see it? You want it?
No, I don't need to see the mouse. Well, I guess
See,
I could.
pushing out the other side, you see it? But if you come out, you see the head pushing out at the chocolate. See it?
Okay, let me get out of the car and look.
Yeah.
Let me get out of the car. I'll just leave the microphone in here. I'm not gonna mess with the microphone because people will see what they see. Okay, people, I'm gonna be outside the car so you may not hear me.
The chocolate. Oh, you notice holes in the chocolate. Holes in the chocolate. The truck cannot pass. It's a tour bus.
I didn't know there'd be so much traffic on the road. All right, here we go, people. Picture this mouse. I'm doing all this just so I can see a mouse.
The mouse, they love chocolate. Rat.
But you know, if somebody's caring for the place,
nobody caring for it. That's why.
Then they would trap the mice and you know,
they would clean
bait
it
them.
out. It's too bushy.
It's too bushy.
All these thorns and the chocolate trees that they walk on to go there.
Yes. Yeah. So
well, see, every one of the dried chocolates, there's a hole.
There's a hole in it. Every one of them.
Yeah.
Well, that's a shame. Let me get my seatbelt back on.
I must ask Paul about it because
that's a shame.
Paul was telling me something about
because you know, if somebody doesn't care for it, when you don't keep the weeds chopped down, then the weeds take all the water when it rains, and it doesn't get down to the roots for the trees. So that's a big problem.
And some of the chocolate tree has a young chocolate. But then because those dry ones are on it, it keep it back from bearing more fresh crop.
Yeah.
This is chocolate gum.
Yeah, well, that's a shame. That's a shame.
I can't believe.
But boy, look how we're getting up against the mountain right here.
The mouse, they're living in the chocolate. They don't leave it until it's done.
This is rural Jamaica. This is the way things are in rural Jamaica. This is the road. This is the main road. We saw a coaster come through, or coaster bus, that I'm assuming it came from Portland. Yeah, came from Port Antonio, and is going to Bath, and maybe. Yeah. Wow.
Look here, the road is.
This is the road, people. This is the road. It's days like today. I'm happy I got a Subaru. Believe me. Believe me.
I don't think you should even bother with this part on YouTube.
Huh?
I don't even think people don't want to see.
They don't want to see this road.
People don't want to see that. It's nothing more than the road.
They might have to see it anyway.
Right.
We'll cut some of it out. Imagine I don't always agree on what should be on YouTube and what shouldn't, so. It's kind of pretty right here though, you know. Any bananas on there? See any?
I don't see any. Sometimes they plant these kind of banana in front.
Yeah.
They don't really have any banana.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That stick there.
Yeah, somebody put that on there so they know.
Look how far the bush come into the road. Look where the water.
Yeah. and then the bus has to go through here too. That's crazy. Crazy.
It's come like I don't know the place anymore because it makes it look different.
Yeah, because it's bushed up so much.
It's different and make it so different.
But we had a nice outing, you know, and I'm glad we spent some time looking at the chocolate and figured out what was wrong with it. I would never figured it out.
Yeah, the mouse keep pushing.
But you saw the mouse push his head out.
You see when the irons were blowing, it seems like maybe he run out or something.
He used that for his big chance to make his escape.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see up, you know, there's a big mountain there, you know.
I want to get a chocolate and show you what I'm talking.
Well, don't get one with a mouse in it.
No, I don't, but no, it makes me afraid to even try to get one. I'd have to get a green one.
Okay, is this the place where? Okay, see, you can see the mountain back. That's some of the mountains back over there, but once we get further down, maybe you can see more. I want people to kind of see the mountains, you know.
Jamaica is just mountains.
Yeah, you know, people think
mountainous.
Jamaica's beaches, and they don't really think of the fact that it's just got beautiful, beautiful mountains, and it's nice and cool up there. Not down here where we live. It's pretty warm, you know, but up in the mountains it's nice and cool.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. They just let the trees.
Oh, here's a couple of people doing some farming.
They're fenced.
Yeah.
Notice private property keep.
Yeah, they're doing some farming up in there. See?
Also, some people see.
Yeah,
they shake up their hand.
yeah, I saw. Yeah, doing some farm. But see how that farm is, where they've got the brush is. There's no brush on the ground. That's what you have to do to have a good farm, because otherwise the water can't get down to the roots, because the underbrush will just suck it all away quick.
And those good for nothing brushes, they eat the nutrient instead of your plant.
Too.
Instead of your plant that
that's true. Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
This is really pretty just right here. Look at this. I don't know, it's just the way the canopy covers the road, and you know.
This tree is a trumpet tree. See the leaves? Trumpet. This is a trumpet.
The
trumpet.
The white tree. Colored bark?
Yes, trumpet. This
the
one.
white colored
Without
bark.
that leaves that with the, what you call it, the sinus or whatever.
Yeah,
on
it doesn't have
it's
a
very
big
deep.
sinus.
Yes, it's deep. Yeah.
Okay. It's got not as deep as those breadfruit sinus.
No. But look at the ones that just barely.
And the only reason I even know they call that a sinus is because I was just Googling just the other day to find out about the breadfruit types and how to tell them from the different leaves. And somebody called it a sinus, and then I immediately just knew that's what it's called.
I don't know that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, big.
Boy, look at the bananas down here.
Yeah.
I don't see any bananas on them, but I see a lot of plants.
So, this breadfruit tree has deep sinuses.
Yes. If I understand the terminology right.
Yes.
Which makes sense. You would call that a sinus.
Like the sinus in
your nose.
face.
Yes,
in your face.
Yes. Yeah. I didn't look up to see for sure that's what it meant, but they referred to it as a sinus, and there's some coconut right there. Some jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, some jelly right there. On here's some more. Look, those. That's some big ones there.
Yeah. People drink a lot of jelly waters.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, there's some nice ones. Yeah.
Use a lot of coconut.
So they've got
people.
They got coconut, and they got bananas, but I haven't seen anything bearing bananas yet. I've only just seen the coconut.
And akis.
See the coconut up there, people?
And these are gungo peas.
These are gungo peas down here?
Yeah, the frontier, are the pigeon peas. There's one.
I don't see any on it, though.
See one there with some on it. This dry one.
Let me look.
This one right here. It has some dry ones on it. Yes. Some dry ones, they didn't pick them.
I don't see them.
Those black things that you've seen that dry.
Oh, up there, up high.
Yeah.
Yeah, see those black things? Those are gungo peas.
All these down here are gungo peas. Pigeon peas. The one they call it pigeon.
Yeah, they call it pigeon peas in some countries, but in Jamaica they call them gungo peas.
Yeah, they call it gungo peas. See, you have some dry ones.
There's quite a few right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of gungo peas. But you recognize that just from the leaf, from afar.
Yes.
You see, you really know your nature, from growing up here.
The ones that I know, like this tree I know, they call it grow stick.
This is what you'll learn about Jamaican people. They live in nature, so close to nature, that Jamaican people...
We live with nature, not
in
close to.
nature.
We live with
nature. And so they know all the names and how to prepare everything and how to treat everything right.
And this is aki.
And how to know if there's a mouse in
this is an aki tree.
In a chocolate tree.
In a chocolate.
And I wonder, I hope it's picking my voice up okay. It should be, I think. Oh, they've got some, what's that on the ground they're growing? Those banana suckers? Or cocoa? That's cocoa.
Yeah.
So cocoa is like a white yam?
Coyote. They call it in Spanish.
It's kind of like a white yolk?
I think they call it coyote.
Is it like a white yam?
Yeah. No, you have some that is reddish color.
Oh, this man's making a coal.
A
coal kiln.
That's soursop tree.
Anyway, so the cocoa is
there is a
it's kind of like
tree.
a yam though, or
yes, I give it to eat.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. So you would have some that is white, some that have different color.
Yeah,
it has like a reddish color.
Okay.
Yeah. Breadfruit on that tree.
See, people, the reason this is Anderson's quarry.
Oh, it's a
It is a quarry. People, the reason that whenever I see a plant, I always ask Madge what it is, and sometimes she doesn't know.
Oh,
but you notice every time I always ask her first, and you must be thinking
plum, June plum. See, yeah, plum on it too. There's plum.
Oh yeah. Do June plum right there. Oh yeah. Okay, those are June plum, people, and they're good. And Madge has made June plum juice all the time.
But they sell June plum juice too at the store. You forget?
I know they do at the store, but it's better when you make it. It's much better when you make it and put a little lime and a little ginger in it. Avocado. That's an avocado tree?
Yeah.
My gosh, it's huge.
No, it's not avocado. It's OTT tree.
Apple.
Apple. Yeah.
The Jamaican apple. OTT.
Yeah. And this is another plum tree, but this is not. This is not the agriculture plum. So you see that
that's why it gets so big.
Yeah. So this one will grow some big plums.
Okay. And I keep sticking my head out the window to talk, so hopefully it's picking up my voice okay. Yeah. But
I prefer these that are not agriculture.
They look like they grow a little bigger.
No, remember they grow big. Remember we get some plums that grow very big.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a lot of breadfruit trees.
Yes, there's a lot in here. But somebody's caring for this.
This is a mango tree. It's a young tree too. It's two trees together.
Okay. Well, this is quite well. Now
that's another OTT tree.
That's Otahiti.
Yes, it's over there.
Otahiti Jamaican apple tree.
Yeah, red apple or
whatever. Yeah, some people call them a red apple.
The flesh part is white.
And you've made juice from those too.
Yeah. You can make jam.
But I'll tell you the one I really liked that you made the other day, that you actually made when we were in Kingston. You made that passion fruit.
The passion fruit.
Oh man, that was so good. Woo! My mouth's starting to water. I wonder if Paul's got some up on his tree we could sneak.
They are berry. No, they're young. No, they're
not. Okay. I saw your smaller pomegranate tree has got quite a few fruit on it now.
Yeah.
You notice that?
Yeah.
But your other one looks like it needs water. But maybe once.
But I don't know why. It's like a little fungus or something.
I don't know.
But Paul said that it's okay.
Once the weed man comes, that's gonna help everything in the garden. Oh, look at that cliffs there.
Wow.
Look at the caves up in there, people.
Yeah. You drive going out of the cave.
No, I just went. Yes, sir. I'm gonna back up.
And I wasn't even taking notice that there is a cave here. And
look at that.
Some of these caves can go so far because maybe down the end there it could be an entrance that takes you.
I don't know how well the people can see it from here. But yeah, there's definitely a cave up in there.
Yes, there's a cave.
Wow. Here, roll down your window so I can show it from lower in case my tripod, in case my stick's too high. There we go. Yeah.
I'm afraid I don't play.
See?
I will not go too near.
You're not going to go up in there, huh?
And I don't know what is in there.
Well, there's not bears in there like there might be if we were living in foreign.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the spearfishing guys who do those things like go all over looking for caves and so on. And they found this
They'd go
water,
in there.
this place with a lot. You was watching it?
I saw the one they went in and
it had so many water and they go in the water. The water
just like
is so
big
pretty.
cathedrals, and it had stalagmites and stalactites and all kinds of something.
And the limestone forms a coating on the water. The water is so pretty.
That was on spearfishing?
Yes, the spearfishing guy is doing it.
Yeah, they really, boy, they've got an interesting channel. If you want to watch Jamaican
This
adventures,
tree is star apple tree. Star apple is
okay. Their leaves are very deep green. Very deep green.
It's two color. It has green and a kind of reddish.
Kind of a reddish
color under.
Now, this is the star apple. That's the one that's like the star fruit, you mean?
It's not, no. Where you have some of them outside is green, some of them outside is kind of purplish, and it has like a milky thing inside and it's sweet. I give it to you. If I see any, I should
not a custard apple.
No, not custard apple.
Okay, not a star fruit.
No, not those.
Okay, well,
you don't remember.
There's so many different fruits in Jamaica, I can't even remember them all.
See another tree. If I could see a tree, but maybe this season is off because I don't.
Yeah.
I don't see any.
But they've kept the underbrush pretty well off here. Wow. Well, this is going to be really interesting. I'll cut, like we talked, we'll cut parts of those boring things out. But a lot of this is quite interesting.
This is a
where we're seeing all these plants.
Tree,
there's these. They've got some
tree.
Bananas and different trees down in here. Well, banana's not a tree. It's a
banana.
There's a few bananas on there, but it doesn't look like they're being
kept. They don't take care of.
That's not being kept.
Hockey trees.
But if a person, I don't know who owns the land, or if some of it's just you can lease it, or how it goes.
Over this side, I think it's people private land.
Yeah.
Over this side. That's over that side estate. See another of the star apple tree, and then a mango tree.
Hello.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Red Button Journal.
Red Button Journal.
Red button, like the buttons on your shirt, but red ones.
Red
Journal.
Red
like
button.
A journal, like a book journal. Yeah. Red Button Journal.
If you had a phone, we could put it in for you. If you had a phone, we could put it in for you. Yeah.
Yeah, Red Button Journal.
Yeah.
Bless up. Make a comment so we know who you are. Yeah. I think I turned it so you could see him.
He's gonna type it in.
Yeah, he's go type it in his phone.
But he can remember because he's young,
Oh yeah.
When you're young, your brain.
Oh yeah. Well, and then the way I always explain to people, I say, like a button on your shirt, a red one. After I say it, and then I say, and it's a journal.
Yeah.
Like a book, a journal book.
This is a guinea tree. Guinea.
Where? Oh,
this
right
big
there.
Tree here.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I don't see any on it.
No, they've been taken and sold.
Maybe they have been reaped. Yeah. This look like it's either a custard apple or a sweet.
Yeah. And this is Winchester?
Yeah, Winchester.
Yeah.
A Winchester or Wheelersfield?
Or Wheelersfield? Wheelersfield.
Yeah.
This Wheelersfield.
Winchester, you have to go off.
Yes, sir. Well, somebody's building a shop right here on the corner.
It's straight too, eh?
Yeah, I know. I'm just looking around, looking at everybody.
something coming.
No.
See a banana there? What a long arm.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, it's got a long, whatever you call that. That's really
And the
long.
flowers, they're way down the end there.
The flowers, it's, yeah, a long way to the flower.
I won't get so busy.
we didn't see but like one car
And then I didn't
when we were going, but
wait. You know, maybe it's a different kind of banana because I see the banana land that one and the tree looking
and it was
like
the
it's
same
ripe.
way.
It's look kind of purple, so it's a different kind.
Oh, it's a different.
You know
breed.
that this
There's so many
outside of it
different-
ripening.
How many different kind of bananas are there?
So maybe that's, I don't know. It's
You know?
a lot of different kinds.
There could be hundreds.
It's purple, so
Yeah.
it's just the kind of banana.
Yeah, there could be hundreds of different kinds. There's a policeman.
He chop doing what?
What's he doing?
I don't know.
What's he doing?
Oh, must have one cook shop this.
Yeah.
This guy has some cook shop car.
Well. So you decided that was Wheeler's Field.
Yeah, it's Wheeler's Field.
Yeah.
See the sign right there?
Huh?
See the sign?
No, but if you
In
did.
front of us?
Oh yeah. There's a sign. Little shops and all kinds of stuff. Oh yeah, the Wheeler's Field Basic School right there. Oh, nice.
Over there.
Oh yeah. See way over there, people, how they have the bamboo holding up the cantilever. Okay, we're back to the little tunnel again. You can't really see my. Oh, there's a banana field over there to the left.
Yeah.
Wonder if they can see it if I hold my arm up high.
It's a
Nice big
It's
field.
a big banana.
I wonder how well they're kept.
No, these bananas are kept. Is some.
I'd love to see one with just full of bananas, you know. Although you're not going to see them all full of bananas, but
because they don't all bear.
yeah. But we'll see some up here. Here, we'll see some up here. Yeah.
See plantain on that one. Plantain.
Oh yeah. I saw the planting,
Plantain.
and I had the camera aimed towards
Oh,
it.
you
So
got these are plantain.
yeah, these are planting down here.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, they're-
I wonder if they were planting back there, or those were bananas. They look like bananas, but
No, because
they look similar.
What you call it? It's not the avocado on this plenty avocado.
Look at them! Look at them!
But yeah,
You can't pick them. They're on their
somebody.
property.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on their farm, but yeah,
See the avocado
alligator
here?
pears.
Avocado.
Why you calling them out? Why you calling them avocados? They're alligator pears. Well, those are. Look at look at that one.
Mm,
Oh boy. Oh boy, that's
is somebody
yeah.
farming?
If it wasn't somebody's farm, that would be a nice one to take home. And look, they've got another one here, but nothing
This
bearing.
is a jackfruit here. A little hog police.
The policeman. He got done with his.
You have to go think about that.
He got done with his
food.
his lunch break, where he was taking a lunch break there at the cook shop. Now he's back on the road again. Back on the road again.
Hockey. June plum.
Oh yeah, look at that June plum right there, people.
Avocado, gungo. These two little plums.
See
there.
the June plums, people?
Some plums. Oh, there's some young plums. Oh, and there is June plum over there.
Oh, look at the bananas over
here.
here.
Oh, those bananas.
Oh,
yes.
they got good bananas over here.
Yeah. So you notice the regular bananas that we eat.
And then there's some plantain here.
Yeah. The regular bananas we eat, it seems like the flowers is just at the tip where the banana end. But different kind of bananas.
Then the flower goes way down on
Yeah,
some of them. Like
yeah.
it's got a long.
That long
What do they call
stem,
that
is
thing?
a stem? Banana,
No, they call it
I don't know.
a pestle or a pistol or something.
Oh, it look like this. Yeah.
You know what? You know the word I'm trying to say.
Yeah. Pistol. Okay.
Yeah. And that's why I think that's what it is. It's just long on some of those.
Okay.
Okay, now we can see the mountains behind us a little bit. Show everybody those.
Bananas and maybe plantain.
Oh, look at that! Woo!
You know,
Camera kind of whipped there. Sorry, people.
I don't think these are.
No. Well, no, there's some bananas on there.
It's bananas.
There's plenty of bananas. Those
so-
are the little tiny ones, like bucks.
Look.
No, these are the little fat
It's a
ones.
different kind of banana. It's frog banana. We call them. I don't know what other name.
Are those the kind that Chucky had on his yard?
Chucky. I don't know what.
Remember
Chucky.
he had those? They were tiny ones?
Oh no, not those.
No? Okay. All right. Well, we're going to wrap it up here, folks. Because we just came to...
People sometimes plant them at the hedge of their field. Because like Jamaican don't fool around to eat those.
Oh.
I don't like them either.
Okay.
They are fat.
Yeah.
They're just fat and
Yeah.
Africans eat them a lot because I see a lot of Africans.
Okay. Well, I'm on yellow for my battery, so it's about to die. So we're gonna wrap it up here, people. So big up yourself, bless up yourself. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the next Red Button Journal episode and adventure of whatever we go or whatever we do. So we love you guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.